Next step is to have a really clean surface there to mount our new brake parts to. So Mark has a Scotch-Brite disc on a roll-lock backer on a little pneumatic side grinder. If you notice, he's wearing his safety glasses because he knows the boss is watching. And he's going to clean off that mounting surface there so the new caliper bracket will bolt on real straight and clean. If you don't own one of these whiz wheels, you can do this with steel wool or a gasket scraper or even a screwdriver. This thing takes a lot less time and does a real clean job. You wouldn't want to use a sanding disc like a guy would use for body work. You don't want to see sparks when you're doing this kind of thing. When you're cleaning off a sealing surface like this, you don't want to be making lots of sparks. You know, every once in a while the Scotch-Brite will make a little spark, but you don't want to be grinding away and reshaping the metal. You're just trying to clean the metal.